Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this electric wine opener. Brand is Cokunst. The really interesting thing is it's listed for only $9.99 and it has all the features of the expensive ones. It has a cutter, it has a button to remove the cork and one button to release the cork, and yeah, looks pretty interesting, has good reviews, so I thought I'll give it a try. So here we are is the thing. There is maybe some instructions. If you need that, I'm going to show you that, of course, as always. So here we are. That's Chinese. Yeah, that's not so interesting probably. So it came a little bit bent here, but yeah, I'm still trying to show you that, so it can help you to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you lost the instructions, maybe it helps you a little bit. Yeah, so here's the thing. Yeah, at the bottom we have this cutter here. We just removed that. Yeah, nice thing. And then of course first we have to insert batteries. Batteries I think are not included. Here's the battery compartment. It's a little bit difficult to see here in the black, and also difficult to open without any tool. I had it already open once. You really have to push hard and then pull. So I like when the battery compartment lids are safe, but yeah, this one is a little bit too tough and we need a screwdriver for my taste. But anyway, yeah, it looks like we have to insert our own 4-piece of the AA batteries. So at least it looks like it's not difficult to insert them where we have the spring. That's usually the minus, and make sure that you have this strap underneath. So yeah, I think it's not such a big deal to insert them correctly. Now let's try to close. Yeah, close was easy, so it should be ready to go. So let's test if this really works. So we have the extract button here. Yeah, let's remove the thing. So yeah, it's definitely spinning, and then we have the release button here and it's spinning as well. So it looks like it's ready to go. Yeah, so I moved the camera a little bit higher. I hope you can still see that. Yeah, it's very high. The bottle plus the opener, that's a lot. So here we have the cutter. So you can see we can close that here. Let's try and see how this works. Just push and move it around, and yeah, okay, nicely cut. First attempt. So it's really my first trial. I've never used that thing. So here we have the button here to remove. So we'll put it on top. Yeah, it's hard to feel something. I've really no clue. Maybe I'll move it back. No, it looks like it's always in the same position. There's no change here. So I start really on top. Here we can see that we have this window here. Fortunately, you can't see that really nicely, but here I'm starting to push the window. I push it a little bit down, not too hard. So let's see if this works. Yeah, I think it's done. It stopped automatically. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, cork is removed. It's inside. So let's try to move it out. I hope we can do that here so you can see that a little bit better. I push here and let's see if it comes down again. Okay. Yeah, couldn't be easier. That's really super comfortable. Yeah, it's a little bit early in the morning to try the thing, so I'll put this back here, but worked perfectly. Yeah, I didn't expect that. $9.99 and it works perfect. Yeah, that's not a bad thing. Really pretty cool deal. So really looks like we don't have to spend a fortune on such a wine bottle opener. Yeah, could be even a really nice gift. Nobody's expecting that at $9.99. Most people would probably think it's at least $30-40 or so. I mean, it doesn't have like a really fancy look, but it's a decent thing, and it absolutely works perfectly. So yeah, full recommendation from my side, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.